Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be doing exercise 1.9 from Student B's perspective. By the way, this is Luandile, the leader of Manekwet School. So let's get started. We're going to create a class, call it exercise _1_9B. Okay, before I do give the solution, there's something I want to talk about. What I'm about to write is actually not covered in chapter 1, but by means of checking out this solution, it's going to be helpful for you so that you do things in the right way, in a better way compared to what we had in exercise 1.9. So what we're going to be doing, we're actually going to be using printf. We're going to be using printf, not println, not print, but printf. Okay, so let's get started. There's something I want to show first. There's what's so called a fold width. Which is nothing else but the number of digits before a decimal point. The reason why we're doing this is simply because we wanna round off our answer to say 2 decimal points, for instance. Two decimal places, Okay. There's also what's so called precision. It's called precision, which simply tells us the number of digits after a decimal point. And the third thing we have is f, which is nothing else but a format specifier. In fact, this is what I've got to do. This is simply telling us that this is basically the conversion code. Okay, and then lastly we've got that, which tells a compiler that whatever it's preceding, that whatever that is preceded by its need not to be displayed on the console. Let's make this undo and let's try to make this a multi-line comment. Okay. Okay, with this out of the way, print out our solution, we're gonna have system.out.print f. Let's put what we're gonna display right here. Gonna say the area of a rectangle width of 4.5 and height of 7.9 is. This is where we'll be using what we described above. So we're gonna have a percentage sign, and then 2, it simply says 2 numbers, 2 digits preceding the decimal point, and then 2 digits after the decimal point. Then we input the format specifier. Okay, and then on the right hand side we're gonna have to put whatever that we need to format, in our case, which is 4.5 multiplied by 7.9. Again, you guys, look at this. You see, you can put any number here, however it is gonna affect your output. You can play around with it, keep changing that number and see what happens. Let's hit. Okay, the area of the rectangle with that and height that, and the height of 7.5 is 35.55. Compared to our first solution, it seems like we're good, but this is a long string the way I see it. How about we just go \n from here, so that you're gonna have our output properly displayed. This is better than what we had before. Okay, that's pretty much it, you guys. See you guys in the next tutorial. Cheers.